Hi Professor, this is the video demo for Spring 6 of Mobile Judge. So, I think the last thing we showed you that we were able to accomplish was the functionality of sending emails itself. So for this sprint, I think um, the main thing we accomplished was connecting to the database. So let me show you. We're back here to the people page where um, the CSV file can be browsed and judges can be added to this table. So that's what happening actually. That okay? Let's do the test. Hmm, input a fake email. Oh, this is yeah. Um, Last name. Okay, so I'll save this and let me go here again. Sorry, the application right here. So I'm gonna browse the file. Template, judge template, open, load. Okay, so here's the new judge, and when we check here, I'll check now. Then I'm gonna delete this one for instances. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, when we check here on the database, this was the first what we saw at first, my email and Dean email. So now I refresh, and now we don't have any more email and Dean emails, and we have the new one added in here. So okay, I have to run the application again to show you the other things we were able to accomplish for this sprint. So it takes a little time. Okay, so let me go here to the scoring page, which is actually in the Dutch view. The other one was the administrator view. So here we implemented this window in here. Okay, this will be the name of the student, right? Assigned to each judge once they log in, and when they click here, they can then see the questions. This is also reading from the database, from the table questions that have these questions input, and they can score here. We have a drop down, and they can write here the feedback, and it will be saved into the database. Oh, I haven't. Okay, save and close. I thought the other important thing is right here in email. Well, we show you last sprint that we're sending the emails. The functionality of sending email is already complete. So we added this, where as of right now we only have the template for invitations. So it is the template, and they can always edit it. For example, just on this. Well, I just want to show you that it's possible to edit it. And well, that's all. And save changes and that will be saved also into the database. I think that was that was pretty much for this sprint. The database part, it took very long because um, we struggle a little bit to connect to it, and because it's everything together with SPWA team and VIP. So that took most of the time of the sprint, but yeah, it's now working, and this is what we currently have. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.